Okay, everybody, this is Zafar. Welcome to my video. I'm going to show you how to create or install Windows 8.1. So, if you have Windows 8.1 CD, put that into your computer and restart your computer. Once the computer is restarting, it will give you an option if you want to continue on or boot the computer with CD. Once it has booted with the CD, the computer will come up to the screen here which says Windows 8. So what you would do is once you have this selection, you would select the what kind of language you want to install and the time and currency format and the keyboard. So it automatically gives you this default settings, so we don't have to do anything, just click next. And you have this install option. You have this repair your computer option also. That is something I'm going to show you in my next video. But let's continue on. This is like a fresh install on your computer. So mind you, if you already have Windows installed on this computer, this will delete all the data on your computer. So make sure you're doing it the right way. So click install now. So it's going to take a few minutes and then it will be presented with some other options. Okay, so at this moment it's asking you to key in the Windows key. So what I'm gonna do is I already have a key, so I'm gonna punch that in. Okay, once you have input the Windows key, it will bring you to this screen. So at this moment, select accept and click next. And you have two options: either you could upgrade or you could install using custom install. So let's click on upgrade. And since we are doing this as a fresh install, you don't have that option. So we close this. Oh, okay, it took us back here, so it's gonna take us a moment to go back there. It will be presented with the option again to input the key. So go ahead and input the key that came with the CD or on the computer. Okay, we are back to this option again. So we'll select the second option, which says custom install Windows only advanced. So click on that, and this is your hard drive. So select the hard drive. Right now it's showing a 25 GB because I'm using a virtual machine. For your, it may say like 1 terabyte or 500 GB. That's okay. So just select that and then click next. And the Windows will start copying the files, and it will do its installation. So this process might take some time. So I will walk you through the next options. Okay, looks like the installation is going on, so it's at 30%. Okay, looks like it's at 96%, so it's gonna continue on. Okay, so it's installing the features, then it's going to install the updates. Then when it finishes up, it restarts the computer. Okay, the computer will restart in like 10 seconds. Okay, the computer is rebooting now, so it's going to go into its Windows. It's going to take a few more minutes before it's presented with more options for you to continue on. Okay, so Windows has completed rebooting. Now it's presenting you with an option to enter the name for the computer. This is really important. You want to give it the computer its unique name. So I'm going to enter Windows PC. Then I click next. If you want, you could personalize with one of these colors here. So, but at this moment, I'm going to just select the default settings. Okay, now you have all these settings here you could read through. You have a privacy statement, learn more about express settings. So uh, I'm just gonna use express settings now. Again, it's gonna check for the internet connection. So since this is a desktop, my computer is already connected with the uh, Ethernet connection, so it automatically should find the internet connection. Okay, so it's gonna do whatever it's gonna do at this moment. Okay, so you are at a login screen now. One neat thing about Windows 8.1 is you could use your existing Microsoft account, which is your Microsoft email. Used to be at hotmail.com or at outlook.com, whatever one. Uh, but here I'm gonna click create new account, and then it will give me more options. And then I'm gonna select sign in without Microsoft account. If you are interested in the, okay, so let's see here. Okay, I click create account. If you're interested, you could go ahead and put in your password, username and password. But for this video, I'm gonna just skip this and go without a Microsoft account. And I'll create a username here, user dash one, and make sure you give the password here. Use a very strong password, which is very critical these days. I use a combination of letter and numbers, so use those options. And here you have a password hint. Normally this is what I do here. It's a smiley, and then just click finish. Alright, it's doing the final step before it presents you with the desktop. So let's see how fast it's gonna do it. Since this is your first time preparing your desktop, is going to take a little extra time because it's setting up all your apps in the background. Okay, now you are at the metro screen. So click on desktop. Now you have your very own fresh installation of Windows 8 or 8.1. The very first thing I normally do when I have a fresh installation is update the built-in antivirus. So what you want to do is right click on your start button here and click search, and start typing Windows Defender. Okay, there it is. Select the very top one, and what this is built-in Windows antivirus, which I found is very helpful. And if you're gonna use this, you don't need any other antivirus software. So as you can see, this is a pretty old, so you might want to like just click update, and it's gonna connect to internet and download the latest update. So I highly recommend, especially for home users, if you want to use Windows Defender, it's a very good antivirus software. At the same point, or it is free from Microsoft. Okay, so it's gonna continue on and update the virus definition. Okay, it's almost done installing the new definition. It should be completing momentarily. Okay, while it's completing, make sure you send me some comments if you like this video. Share this video on your Facebook or Twitter, or on your YouTube channel. And I will be posting more videos, tech related videos, and blog on my blog at imactech.com. All right, see you in next video.